Hello and welcome to day 2 of the registration process. This is for students 9th going into 10th grade. To be able to get to this screen, first of all, you'll have to log into your PowerSchool account and then click on Class Registration. This should bring you to the 2016-17 class registration system. Please review the notes Mr. Kolbus typed up at the top of the page. You'll be using your selection sheets from yesterday, and today we will be entering them into the computer. Again, you will need 6 credits of classes and 3 credits of alternate choices. As we scroll down, you'll see the first category is advisory. All students will have a 10th grade advisory for next year in your neighborhood. The next category is English. This should match your registration form. If you click on the right-hand pencil, you will see your options should come up. Honors English 10, A and B. And remember, you do need to select both sections, A and B. With the honors, there will be a summer of assignment. Please be aware and get that before you leave for the year. Or you can choose the general English 10. And then you will see the check mark on the right hand side showing that you've selected both sections. Next is math. As you click that, there are a number of classes here ranging from geometry to algebra 2 to even a new course, honors trig and pre-calc. This course again has an A and a B section. Select what you chose on your selection sheet and click OK. Science is next. Again, review yesterday's information. If you came in with that 3rd year of science and you did biology as a freshman, chemistry would probably be your next selection. You can see that we offer both chemistry A and B and also honors. Social studies, world history is the option for our 10th graders. Now notice the first selection is AP. That is different from regular AT or honors. That is a national curriculum where you could be reading up to 30 pages in an evening and doing a lot of writing as well. Please refer to your English teachers and also your social studies teachers for recommendations. And this class could also be taken for college credit depending on how you do on the AP test in May. You'll see that this student has the PE requirement met already, but you'll also notice as you scroll down there are PE options for quarter credits in each category. So if you wanted, for instance, to be able to take weights for all 4 quarters, you would go and select it in each of those categories, or personal fitness for all 4, or multiple times. You can take those classes multiple times. World language, you do need 2 years of the same foreign language, remember? So continuing that might look good. Also, that is considered a core class to your more selective colleges. So if you want to increase the rigor, feel free to select more language other than English. Okay. American Sign Language 2 is now available for you, and as you scroll down to the bottom, you will also notice on this page that there are multiple pages of choices. So the French is on page 2, German page 3, and so on down the line. So if you can't find your language on that first page, please look to the bottom. Again, selecting an A and a B section. Band orchestra section is next. Obviously, you may not be for sure on your placement for next year. Select what you'd think or what you're in now. As we move forward, Ms. Linsmeyer, Mr. Wangeman, and Ms. Jones will be in touch with us and giving us lists. Again, multiple pages here. Scroll through to find the most appropriate course for yourself. Early college, as a 10th grader, you will be taking 2 early college classes, English 107 and 108. If you are a part of the NMC Early College program, you must select these. We have some support classes next for both math and English. If you find that you have a weakness in one of these areas, you can take an additional hour of concepts for the class. I know it might sound difficult to take extra of a class that you struggle in, but that's what you may need, is just more time and extra practice. So this could be a wise choice in an area that you need to improve. Moving down to the visual performing applied arts and just different elective choices, you will see the multiple pages here as well. As you refer back to your student selection guide, you should be able to find all of the other courses that you've selected under these categories. It may take some time to scroll through, but it does appear that they are in alphabetical order, which is nice. And then finally, the alternates. You can see at the bottom there are 6 credits required. We've currently requested 5.25. You will need to have 6 there. And then finally, the alternate choices. We're looking for 3 credits of alternate choices. Again, refer to your selection sheet for these, whether it's another elective course, whether it's a PE or just some other course there that you might want to select, whatever you think. Second choices. There are many courses that may become full or may just have a natural complication as far as scheduling. The nice thing though is that you will see these courses added at the bottom. And again, you'll need to have 3 credits of those. There is no need to save with this window. It should save automatically. This is the entering into the computer portion. Do not schedule an appointment with your counselor at this time. How you will get your appointment is by turning in your signed selection form. If you have it signed today, you may turn it in to your advisory teacher. If you do not have it signed today, you will need to bring it down to the counseling office on your own. Sheets will not be accepted until they are signed by a parent. Also, feel free to write down any questions on that selection sheet, as you may forget your questions from now until your appointment. Again, do not schedule an appointment. Turn in your signed form and we will schedule you in order. If you are having any technical issues today using the PowerSchool and portal, please call the Sparta office at 933-7503. Again, if you're having technical issues, please contact the Sparta office at 933-7503. Get your signed form in, and we will see you in the counseling office soon. We look forward to meeting with you.